Hey there. Have you ever wondered how doctors know what's going on inside your body when you're sick? Or how a scientist discovers a new medicine? Well, it all begins with something called basic medical sciences. And today, I'm going to take you on a little adventure inside the human body to explain it in the easiest way possible. What are basic medical sciences? Think of basic medical sciences as the building blocks or foundation of all medicine. Just like you need to learn the alphabet for reading a book, every doctor needs to learn basic medical sciences before they can treat patients. It's the first thing every medical student learns, no matter where they live in the world. Why is it so important? Because if doctors don't understand how the body normally works, they can't figure out what's wrong when someone gets sick. And if scientists don't know how cells, organs, or blood work, how will they make vaccines, medicines, or machines that save lives? That's why basic medical sciences are not just school subjects. They're the secret code behind every life saved in a hospital. What subjects are included? Let's break it down like a fun team of superheroes, each one with a special job. Anatomy. This tells us what's inside the body: bones, muscles, heart, lungs, brain. Example: a surgeon uses anatomy to know where to cut and what to avoid during surgery. Physiology. This tells us how the body works, like how your heart pumps blood or how you breathe. Example: a nurse checks your blood pressure using what they learned from physiology. Biochemistry. This goes deep into the body's chemistry, how food becomes energy, how cells talk to each other. Example: diabetic patients need insulin. Biochemistry explains how insulin controls sugar in the blood. Pathology. This is the science of what goes wrong in the body, like infections, cancer, or broken bones. Example: a pathologist looks at your blood under a microscope to find out if you have a disease. Microbiology. This is all about tiny creatures like bacteria and viruses. Example: when someone gets COVID-19, microbiologists study the virus and help make vaccines. Pharmacology. This teaches us how medicines work, how much to give, and what side effects might happen. Example: doctors prescribe antibiotics using what they learned in pharmacology. Histology. This is the microscope world of tissues and cells. Example: when doctors want to see if a lump is cancer, histologists study it under a microscope. How are these used in real life? In hospitals, every single thing a doctor or nurse does is based on these subjects. Taking blood? That's anatomy and physiology. Reading test results? That's pathology and biochemistry. Prescribing medicine? That's pharmacology. And in research labs, scientists use basic medical sciences to discover cures, understand new viruses, create treatments that haven't even been invented yet. Why should you learn this? If you're a student dreaming to become a doctor, nurse, or scientist, this is where it all starts. If you're just curious about how the human body works, this will blow your mind. And if you're a teacher or parent, this series will help you explain complex science in the easiest way. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore each of these subjects one by one, like chapters in the human story. We'll use simple language, real examples, and cool stories to make you say, "Whoa, I never knew that." So hit that subscribe button and get ready to learn the amazing science that keeps humans alive and well. Because medicine is not just about hospitals, it's about understanding life itself.